Do you know what dry scooping is?
Sounds sexual.
Hey, man. Jeez.
Is it?
I don't think the word dry goes well with where you're going. It's the latest TikTok trend that could be dangerous for your heart. See, I thought you would know because you're Mr. TikTok half the time.
No, I don't know about this trend.
You been easing up on the TikTok?
Well, there's just so many trends. It's like...
Answer my question, Will. Have you been easing up on the TikTok?
No, I haven't, actually. Yeah. It's been the same.
What can you tell us?
Terrible addiction. Yeah. But, hopefully I'll get better soon. There you go.
Dry scooping is the trend where people, they take the pre-workout, heavy caffeine, stuff that's packed with caffeine. You're supposed to take it before your workout. You mix it, blend it together with water or milk or something. It also has like B vitamins in it, but it gets you amped up.
Okay.
And people on TikTok, I guess, got the idea that it would be more intense experience if you don't add the water to it, because it would coat your mouth and esophagus and your body would more quickly be absorbing the contents. And then some people started posting, a couple girls posted that they did the thing and ended up with a heart attack in the hospital.
Oh.
TikTok is full of these life hacks and fitness trend. Dry scooping reportedly caused major health issues for at least 2 users, and one who claimed that she had a heart attack from it. There's extremely high levels of caffeine in here, by the way. Rather than mixing the pre-workout powder into a diluted drink or milk, the TikTok fad sees users swallow the powder dry and then chase it with a liquid.
So that's the trend on TikTok? Like they would just show them dry scooping and then going to work out?
I guess. In addition to caffeine, pre-workout products include creatine, taurine, B vitamins, NO2 boosters, and branch-chain amino acids. Oh. Absorption begins directly through the membranes in your mouth and continues through your esophagus and into your stomach. As pure dry powder, there's no dilution, and the fast entry into your bloodstream results in immediate release of supplements of those. It is the incredibly high dose of caffeine that enters the blood very rapidly, like ephedrine, causes an abrupt increase in adrenaline and puts the heart in overdrive. Anyway, there's a picture of the girl saying that she didn't fake her heart attack. Here I am in the hospital after doing the dry scooping thing. That sounds like a copywritten song right there. I don't know why people think I'd cap about heart attack on this app. Yeah, annoying ASF. I'm just trying to help people not make the same mistake I did. There's the original clip. Taking a dry pre-workout scoop. I'm a clown, be a clown. Ending up in the hospital because I had a heart attack. Okay.
All right. This is just sad.
Is it? What do you think about the clown?
That's what makes it sad.
The clown thing on TikTok?
Trying to make fun of it or trying to add some sort of light to it. I don't know. What's the message here?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't tell you, but I guess you don't want to be doing this dry scooping. Also, especially if you have any kind of like undiagnosed heart condition.
Yeah.
Some people don't even know they have like an arrhythmia or something like that. And then you dose like heavy caffeine in it.
And then go for like a run on like a treadmill.
Yeah.
Do some sort of...
Yeah, you're redlining the situation at that point. So I don't know. Whatever. Take it easy with these substances.
Mm-hmm.
Caffeine is no joke, man. If it's you can have too much of it. And I don't know. It's not cool to stop dry scooping. Or do whatever you want. I don't know. Get back to Willie Doo needs his TikTok time there. How to get it? Get out of here. You want to
I'll do that.
Go watch
right
his
now.
Dry scooping.